You can see my screen, right? Hello.
Yes, yes, I can see now.
Okay. Okay. So yesterday, like we were talking about the enable features. Okay, we'll continue
Yes.
with the same.
Okay.
Okay. Um, Taxation, like okay, so we'll be using the like NetSuite taxation. So and we also like this is market like like Olara is also there. Like okay, so that the third party application that we'll be talking about how to install the bundle and do the configuration for the same. And then if you come to the transaction, then in transaction you'll see like estimate, sales order, return authorization. So this kind of thing. So what basically happen is like say, let's say so sometimes company do not very few company okay not preferring to have the estimate, right? So
Mhm.
what they will be doing, they'll be all like directly creating the sales order, right? So if estimate is not required, you can make it false. Okay. Similarly, like if the service-based company is there, there is nothing to return. Okay, then we can say return authorization will be false in that case because this return authorization is the customer return authorization. Let's say, for example, you have sold out a product to a customer, and
Okay.
now that customer do not like the product. Okay, they can return you back.
Yeah.
Okay, and this is the with respect to the purchase one. Okay, if you have purchased any item from your vendor and you do not like that product, or you found like okay there's some defect and all, so
Yeah.
you'll be able to return this product to your vendor.
Okay. Okay. So, Shekhar, all these features also have additional cost. Every feature.
No, it's not like that actually. Okay, yeah, but basically you'll be like the estimates and all. Okay, it's not like that. It's so much breakup that you'll be getting. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so basically it's cost like AR, AP, right? So like that module will be costing you advanced inventory if you are using manufacturing, you are using manufacturing light or the advanced. Okay, like that. It's
And
not like
Shekhar,
that. If I'm not using the estimate, I have to pay. Like
uh-huh.
if I don't have to pay, if I enable this estimate, I have to pay. It's not like that. Okay, that is a part
Okay.
of AR module,
Okay.
and you are
Okay.
purchasing the AR. Yeah, you are using the AR.
Okay. 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 I got it. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. And Shekhar,
so
what was the estimates? I mean, what is that?
estimate
Estimates
is the
feature?
quotation. Estimate is the quotation, right?
Okay, the quotation which we send to our vendor, our customer
No, no,
before.
no. Our customer. Let's say what happened basically. If any customer reach out to us, right? So what will be they saying? Like they will be saying, "I am looking for so and so item. Okay, I want that product in that much of quantity. Could you please give me the quotation?" Right. So what will happen? You will be giving them the code, right? They will review the quotation and they will be confirming you whether they want to place the order or not.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so basically you have also seen like okay, so in business what happened basically if we are looking for any product, we coordinate with multiple vendors.
Yeah.
Okay, for our customer we will be with the vendor, right? So maybe they will be like asking for the quotation from multiple companies,
Okay.
and wherever they found okay no this quotation is good and everything is fine, okay,
Mm-hmm.
with that vendor they can process like the order.
Right. Right. Right.
Okay, so for that purpose we have quotation. Once quotation is done, like we can have the sales order.
Okay.
So we'll be having these kind of thing: request for quote, requisitions, purchase contract, blanket purchase orders. So this purchase
So
contract,
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So
yeah,
this
please.
isn't this similar request for quote and above that estimate also we were saying quotation and
No,
requisition also we used to send before the purchase order.
no. So it's like a different thing, right? That is the estimate.
Okay.
Okay, like, and here we are asking for the quotation. Okay, this is part of the AP.
Okay.
Okay, from here. Okay, So these all are the part of the AP. So we'll be doing the transaction. We'll get to know.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the code? What is the requisition? What is the purchase contract? What is the blanket PO? Okay. Just the thing is, we are enabling if we want to have that part.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. For example, if tomorrow a customer came to you and asked you, okay, so what the requirement is, like in their requirement, like okay, they have a fixed prices for the item products, okay, with their vendors.
Yeah.
So they have agreement kind of things where they say, okay, so if I am gonna purchase this much of item
Mm-hmm.
and so prices, if this much of item and so discount, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so how you're gonna manage in NetSuite? Okay, so make
Okay.
sure for that purchase that is the part of purchase contract, and we have to enable purchase contract. Then only you will be able to use it.
Okay.
Okay, so this is just think of, okay, we have enabled this one. We'll go in depth and we'll show you like, okay, so how to get the purchase contract, what is the application where it will be used, and how we'll be implementing this part.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly for the blanket purchase order as well. So like in what happened, I'll just give you scenario. Let's say I want 10 product, right? Or let's
Yeah.
say I want 12 product.
Okay.
But my requirement is everyone I want one product. I will purchase 12 product, but
Yeah.
every month I want. It's kind
Okay.
of recurring, right?
Right.
Okay. So that kind of things we can do in blanket purchase order.
Okay. 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 It's a one-time contract or in time bound contract.
Yeah, you can say. Yeah. Then we have if you want to like have multiple pricing for the sales, you can enable this one, because on the price also we can have the base currency, sorry, base price, then price level we can have, then discounted rates as well. Okay, so we have a different price level. If you see any item,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so the products will be having the multiple levels of the pricing. So we'll talk about those things.
Mm-hmm.
We have just enabled from here. Quantity pricing, quantity specific pricing, if you're looking for, you have to enable this one. Gross profit, alternate sales amount, promotion code, sweet promotion. So these are the basically uh, like, let's say we are doing the campaigning email or something like that, or seasonal. We want to attract more customer. We
Okay.
want to make more customers. Then what will happen? We'll be giving them the promotion. Okay,
Okay.
we give them the discount based on the coupon code, right?
Mm-hmm.
And again we can define, okay, coupon code can be one time applicable, multiple times, can be used by multiple users or just one user. So those kind of things also will be able to do over
Mm-hmm.
here.
Okay.
Okay, so promotion code is a different part. Fit promotion is just one extra step, you can say, or that is the advanced level of promotions,
Mm-hmm.
where we can say BOGO, buy one get one, buy one get second at 50%. Okay, do
Okay.
shopping for 5,000 and get 1,000 off, right?
Okay.
So such kind of things will come under the sweet promotion.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then similarly, auto apply promotions, etc. If you want to apply automatically, automatic location assignment. Okay, so advanced shipping. So all these things are for the fulfillment and the receiving. Okay, so whenever we do the fulfillment and receive the quantity, so these are the things which we have to use. Okay, whether we want to use the big pack shipment or not, fulfillment request or not, store pickups. Okay, shipping label integration if you want, because shipping and packing, like both things are required.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so all these things will be having over there. Inbound shipping management, then some features related to the billing, like bill cost to customers, advanced billing, charge based billing, billing operations. Okay, billing schedule, etc. will be there, and some payment related features will be getting, like credit card if you can manage in a system, credit cards of descriptor, PayPal integration is there, and these integration are like out of box functionality. Means
Okay.
you'll be getting in NetSuite itself. It's
Mm-hmm.
not
Okay.
like, okay, third party or something like that we have to do separately. Okay, but these are well configured in the system as well.
Okay.
EFT, online bill, ACH, etc. And okay, Then if you come to the items and inventory, then again like all related to the inventory information we have to enable from here. For example, whether you want to have the drop shipment or special order item not.
Yeah.
Matrix item, matrix is you can say it's kind of attribute or the variant.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say you have a retail shop and you have a product, right? And that product have a different variety. Product
Yeah.
name is the same. It could be a shirt, say let's say shirt,
Mm-hmm.
pants, or anything, right?
Mm-hmm.
But in that shirt or t-shirt, what you have multiple choice. Like you have a different colors,
Yeah.
right? And again, you could have a sizes as well,
Okay.
right? So we can see where the product have different variant or the attribute.
Yeah.
We consider them as a matrix item.
So, so is it that looks like similar to a special order item, right?
No, no. So a special order item is a different concept actually.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, a special order item means what? A product we, let's say I am a vendor, I'm a
Yeah.
third party person, okay, or you can say the mediator. Now what is happening is a customer came to me and asked for a product,
Yeah. Right.
right? But I do not maintain for that is the product. What I'll say, okay, sir, I'll be giving you. I'll that order has been placed with me.
Okay.
I got the customer order. Now what I'll do, I will ask my vendor then.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want so and so product. My vendor will be delivering that product to me. I'll be receiving the product from my vendor, and then the same product I'm going to deliver to my customer.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You got it? The
Yeah, I mean,
special order.
yeah, I mean, we have, I mean, for example, we have stock items, which I mean, which are there in our inventory, and we
No,
just
for
pick and ship
stock
them.
items, special order concept will not be applicable. Okay. The special order item means a product for which you do not maintain your inventory stock.
Right, right. We
For
we
example,
base, yeah.
yeah. For example, let's say what happened to a midi, you can say the service-based company
Mm-hmm.
or consultancy. Okay. Let's say any consultancy is there. Now they and like what they do, they provide the services and they have a contact with multiple companies, you know. Or you can uh, how which example should I give? Okay, let's say you you have your business, you deals in all the wood related products. Okay, for example, furniture, table, chair, etc. All those kind of things, right?
Yeah.
Now, some of the products are there for which you do not keep the stock,
Right.
right? Maybe the price is higher, or maybe the warehouse issue, like you'll not be able to stock it, okay, or something like that. Okay, you don't have that proper thing to do. So and so, what happened? You do not want to take risk,
Right.
right? If I purchase from my vendor, I'll be keeping it. Then maybe if not like sold, right? That could be like we'll be putting the because maintenance charge will also be applicable if that product is in your stock, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like that kind of things. So maybe what happened? Some products we deal with, and some products we do not directly deal with. But what happened? We take the orders for those products. We take orders for those products as well, for which we do not maintain our stock.
Okay.
What we do basically, whenever order will come to us, okay,
Mm-hmm.
my customer will ask me. So what we can say, okay, just pay 20% of the amount in advance, okay, and we'll be delivering your product by so and so date,
Mm-hmm.
right? We'll ask our customer like that, and in between, what we'll do at the same time, we'll be placing an order to our vendor,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and we'll ask them like, I want so and so product. Now, what will happen? My vendor will be sending that product to me, delivering it to me, right? And then I will be delivering to my customer,
Okay.
and I'll be getting then 80% remaining amount.
Okay.
You got it?
Uh, yeah.
So this is something real time, right? So you have also seen, I believe, okay. So sometimes we go to a like person and say, okay, I want so and so product. He said, I don't have, but I'll be able to manage. I can give you, just make
Mhm.
20% payment or 10%
Okay.
payment.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay,
but the
even you.
means I have seen in my projects, for example, the order comes through various channels. For example, let's say EDI. So order is coming through EDI, and the customer has shown that okay, I need this type of product. They have mentioned all the attributes. Okay, so what will happen is, I mean, when the order comes into my domain, uh, it's a special order. So automatically one item will be generated, and
No,
then it
actually,
will
the
be
concept is
processed.
different. See, whether the EDA or anything, right? So that
Mm.
means like customer is order is coming directly, right? Special
Yes.
order concept is like, if we do not maintain, what is the drop shipment? Okay, to make
Drop
it clear, what is
shipment.
the drop shipment? Drop shipment is something, let's say in both the cases, special and order, drop shipment and special order, we do not maintain stock for that product. Means
Mhm.
in our system for that product will be not be keeping inventory stock. Or real time scenario, if you talk about for a particular, consider a business where we do not have stock for that product.
Mhm.
Okay, but what happen whenever we get the order from our customer, at the same time our system will create, once the sales order is created and approved, system will automatically create the purchase order to our vendor.
Okay.
Okay, saying that, hey, I want so and so product.
Okay.
So once we receive that product from my vendor, then I am going to ship to the customer.
Okay.
Okay, that is the part of special order. But drop shipment will be different.
Mhm.
What will the drop shipment? Drop shipment, when we got the, let's say we do not maintain the stock for that product,
Okay.
our customer place an order with me. I got that order. At the same time, I will ask my vendor to deliver the same product to my customer.
Okay.
Scenario you can take Flipkart or the Amazon, right? So what, we are the customer of Amazon.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we are doing basically, we are placing an order to Amazon, right?
Mhm.
And now Amazon is asking vendors to deliver that product to like so and so person. You got it?
Yeah.
So these kind of things happen because directly Amazon and Flipkart do not maintain the stock. They do. What happened? There are numbers of the vendor associated with that one and the customer directly. So
Yeah.
Flipkart or the Amazon is the platform.
No, actually, what I was thinking is, the special order item is nothing but it's a, combination of
Attribute.
various stock items,
No, no. Yeah, that actually no,
components.
no. Actually, so I don't know. You are working on the EBS or what, right?
Yeah, sorry.
Some you are working on EBS.
No, EBS I used to work on earlier. Now I'm on different technology. ERP, yeah,
Okay.
different ERP.
Okay. So basically, special, or you can say special item, maybe that business, the system you are handling with, okay, may
Mm-hmm.
have, they have mentioned that as a special, because the terms also get quite changed, okay,
Right, right,
but
right.
the logic remain the same, okay.
Yeah.
So spatial and dropship is something like this, and the things you are talking about is metrics,
Mm-hmm.
okay, where we have a company, every business have some other terms for that, okay. Maybe a product that may have a different variant, they will be calling a special,
Okay,
okay.
okay, okay.
But if your any product, if any
Mm-hmm.
product have a different color, different sizes, or you
Yeah.
in general you can say the variant or the attributes, okay, size, shape, designing, etc. Okay, so we basically call it as matrix item,
Okay.
miss matrix. An item matrix allow you to track your items by certain options such as size and color.
Okay.
With an item matrix, each combination is tagged separately. Means what? Means if you have a shirt or
Mm-hmm.
t-shirt, will have a different sizes and colors. You will be able to track how much t-shirt of color white and
Yeah.
size L is available in your stock, how
Mm-hmm.
much t-shirts of color red
Okay.
and size small is available in your stock.
Mm-hmm.
Those kind of things you'll be able to see. You'll be able to track.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Matrix we enabled, but matrix is part of a current item that we'll be using. For example, it's an inventory item. Matrix is not something a different item.
Yeah.
Matrix is with respect to an item. For example, I have the inventory item. Now
Okay.
for that inventory item, I will be able to define the matrix as well.
Okay.
If I have an assembly item, with assembly item, I will be able to use the matrix as well.
Okay.
If I have a finished good, with that finished good, I'll be able to manage the matrix as well.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You got it? So matrix means
Yeah.
what? Matrix means a segment, not segment basically a variant.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, for that
Mm-hmm.
purpose we'll be using. I'll show you how to create and how to use them. Then you'll be
Yeah.
able to correlate the things to what
Right.
exactly this is and what is the upshipment is special, how this is happening in our system.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think it will be more clear once we proceed.
Yeah, so that is because see, this is just a checkbox, right? I'm
Mm-hmm.
telling you,
Yeah.
like, just we are enabling, we are not going to in depth as of now, right? So we'll be talking
Okay.
about the modules separately.
Okay. Okay.
Just you have an idea, okay, these are the things are here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, then
Yeah.
we have multiple vendors. If
Mm-hmm.
you want to assign multiple vendors on your item record
Mm-hmm.
with the pricing, you will be able to define. You will
Okay.
be able to define with respect to the subsidy, okay, and you can say preferred as well.
Okay. Okay. Ruchika,
If cert
there would be some limit on number of vendors also, right? We can manage this many vendors or something like that.
honor, so I'm not particularly like knowing this part. Okay, I know
Okay.
like limitation. Okay,
Okay.
because I have added uh, much more. Okay, but I haven't seen like any limitation for this. So definitely there'll be limit. Okay, but
Okay.
that
Okay.
part I need to check whether what the limit for that.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. But if you're looking for, because the mostly scenarios will come where you have 8 to 10, 20, right? In business
Yeah.
scenario, I'm talking about.
Right. Right.
Okay. And that you will be able to, so till that I'm able to, right? I haven't gone to like see and like how much we can do.
Okay.
Yeah. But maybe, yeah, there will be 100, I don't know, 50 or 100, whatever. Need to be checked. Not sure. Then we have a gift certificate and sales downloadable files. So these are the kind of product again. If you want to use the barcoding and the item label, you have to enable this one. Merchandise hierarchy, okay. And coming to the inventory, like inventory item, if you want multiple locations inventory, assembly items. So these are part of the manufacturing, okay. Assembly items, advanced bill of material, work order, serialized inventory, lot numbers, bin management. So all these are the part of manufacturing till here, okay. Work order and all these things.
Okay.
Serialized inventory lot tracking is a type of item only. For example, we have an inventory item or the assembly item. Any type of item, this kind of item could be a lot or the serialized. So what is serialized? Basically, serialized means if we have one unit, okay, or if we have one quantity, a quantity will have its own identification number,
Okay.
its own identity, you can say. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So serialized item. Okay. So what is serialized item basically? Serialized items is an item which where each of the quantity will have its own identity number.
Okay. Okay.
For example, it's a car
Mhm.
or engine or anything, right? So what happened? You will see. So there is a separate number mentioned on them, right?
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay. But if we take example of medicine, okay, in medicines, what happened? Or any like a product that we eat, right? So there you'll be able to see the lot number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why lot number? Because when the manufacturing, mostly in manufacturing, okay, what happened? The like it will be manufacturing in lot only.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Okay. Okay.
So depends basically whether that product is that item is a lot or serialized, that will be able to define. And even the item we can create without lot and serialized.
Mm-hmm.
That means neither the batch nor the quantity have its identity. Just a
Okay.
number
Okay.
we have. Okay, these products we have in our stock. That's fine.
Okay. So lot tracking basically, I mean, we have, for example, 10 to 20 same medicine boxes, so we'll keep them in one lot, like that.
Yeah. So basically, what happened? I'll tell you. Uh, okay, how to track this lot? Okay. So if any manufacturing company like FMCG and all, okay, so let's they are building up the biscuits, right? Now they will building up biscuits. Now at one time, okay, let's say every day they are running process. In one time, they have a production capacity of uh, you can say 5 ton. Okay, let's say they have the capacity of 5 ton in one batch. Okay, so in that what happened? And in a day they will run 5 batches. Okay, means 25 25 tons of biscuit like they will be able to create. I'm talking about a very small company.
Right.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
Yeah, your voice is very low. I cannot hear you.
Is it okay now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So now that's okay, fine, right? But you can think of, right, in one day they will be running 5 batches.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and one lot consists of 5 ton. But
Okay.
is it possible like all the 5 ton need to be packed in one packet? No. What
No, no.
happened? They will be creating a different cartons.
Right.
In that carton, they will be saying like five kgs or 10 kgs, something like that. And
Right,
again,
right,
then 10 kgs like will be having a 100-gram biscuit packet.
right. Mm-hmm.
Like what happened when the manufacturing happened?
Yeah.
That time, because on the lot basis, they have to enter the expiration date as well.
Yeah. Okay.
If I'm manufacturing this product today, okay,
Mm-hmm.
there will be an expiration date based on the creation date,
Okay. Okay.
right? So we'll be able to identify, okay, this is lot number,
Okay.
and then new batch will be giving a different lot number, and
Mm-hmm.
in the different. So tomorrow I'll be getting again, we'll be having a different lot, but
Mm-hmm.
in one lot we can see a numbers of the quantities is getting created. We
Okay.
have a number of the biscuit packets,
Mm-hmm.
right? And that is the reason if you go to any shopping mall and like if you go to any store, right? So
Mm-hmm.
whenever you purchase cartons, right, you will
Mm-hmm.
see there like lot number will be given,
Right, right, right.
even on the medicines.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay, because lot number is always have one more thing. Okay, that could be always be having the expiration date.
Okay.
In serialized item, you will not be able to see the expiration date.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and serialized item, if you talk about, for example, let's say a car.
Okay. Yeah. Right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
each of
Yeah.
the car have its own identification.
Exactly.
You have a
Yes.
chassis number, you have a like engine number, something
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, so there is a difference.
Okay.
There is a difference between the
Mm-hmm.
and one more thing. Serial item will always be the one quantity,
Yeah.
whereas in lot you can define in one lot how many quantities are there.
Exactly. Yeah. I mean, how many quantity or how many cartons like that?
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we have a bin management. So what is bin management? Let's say a location is there.
Okay.
So
So, Shekhar,
uh,
can I ask one more question?
yeah, please.
So, I mean, what is the advantage of lot tracking? We can, I mean, Or is it very difficult to track very small things like biscuit packets? That's why we define this lot tracking. Is it like that?
No, actually, so that is just an example. Okay, it's not
Okay.
like that. We are just tracking the biscuits only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what happened basically, as I told you, one most important thing, expiration date.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that thing is required.
Okay.
Second thing, whenever we talk about the production, right, in manufacturing company, what happened? They'll be manufacturing in bulk.
Okay.
Okay, and let's say for example, you have a kit or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in or you can talk about the paints or anything like any kind of things could be there. So you have a for example, if you talk about the textile industries,
Okay.
okay, there also whenever manufacturing, if you talk about, so mostly be getting in like a lot only. So what
Mm-hmm.
happened? The clothes, getting the stuff, a sheet of clothes, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
In one time, they will be bundling it around like 5,000, 500 or 1,000 each bundle,
Right. Right. Right.
and they track, okay, in a day how many bundles has been created,
Okay.
right? Now it will be very tough for you to
Mm-hmm.
see if giving the serialized number to each of the sheet. Okay, so what happened basically? They club them. Okay, because the material also matters, right? So
Mm-hmm.
what kind of material is used, and what is the in today's lot, how many products has been generated? So all those kind of things need to be maintained.
Mm-hmm.
And again, it will be easy. For example, why we maintain the lot? I'll tell you one thing. For example, let's say a medicine,
Yeah.
any drug company. Okay, now one what happened in one, every batch process was going well, but in one batch process what happened, some they like something happened, and some chemical is not being used.
Okay.
Okay, now in that case what will happen? Let's say they created a lot, and a lot of tablets and has been created and binded it, and they have given the lot number saying that, okay, they have, every company, manufacturing company, have a lot number uh, preferences, like, okay, how it is going to be set up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's say this has been set up with respect to some preferences and all, saying that
Mm-hmm.
for the date and which batch process, batch
Mm-hmm.
number, right? And tomorrow in the testing, if one tablet has been found, okay, no, it's defective,
Right.
right? So what basically company do? Company cancel the complete lot, that
Okay.
complete lot.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, just not that particular medicine.
Okay.
Okay, so where the production is in batch, okay,
Mm-hmm.
in bulk,
Mm-hmm.
lot will be the easiest thing to find. And again, this is for the small thing, not the big size.
Okay.
Okay, for example, if you talk about the screw, okay, if you talk about the small like nails, the equipment we use basically,
Mm-hmm.
right? So how these are being made? These are being manufactured in lots only.
Right.
Okay, serialized is what? Serialized is something where we are putting our time and we are building a particular product at a time, one unit,
Mm-hmm.
and having a serial number.
Mm-hmm.
For example, mobile phone. Okay, mobile phone have the serial number, right? But the component being used in the mobile phone
Yeah.
could be a lot,
Lot. Okay.
like a screw, like PCB,
Okay.
okay, like a screen. Okay, so this will be in lot. But once all the things has been combined, each mobile phone have a separate email ID for the tracking. Okay, so there is a way. So that's the reason it's defined. Okay, what is the lot? What is the serialized?
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. And again, as I told you, there could be a place like scenario where even the product could not be serialized or the uh, lot. It's simple
Okay.
item, simple
Okay.
inventory item. Okay, we'll be talking about more on details. Okay, it's like
Mm-hmm. Okay.
now. Then we have inventory status. Sorry, we have a bin management. Bin management is something whenever, for example, you go to any shop, okay, and you ask, I want so and so product, where I can get it, right? From the counter only, they will be able to tell you, okay, sir, go there and then left and then right, and you'll see the row number 5. There is 5 quantity you'll be getting. 5 quantities are there. How a person sitting far away from that particular place can tell you all this information? Because a bin is a place, exactly the place defined under a particular location, and will be able to track which quantity, which item at what quantity is available in that particular place.
Okay.
Okay, so that is the reason. So if you go to shopping mall anywhere, like we go for the grocery and all, like we have seen that, right? A kind of product is being kept in a particular place only, right?
Right.
Yeah. Then we have advanced bin number inventory management. So advanced bin number is basically using a bin with the lot and the serialized.
Okay.
Okay. Then if you want to use the status like inventory status, like okay, tested, quality check is done or not, something like that. Okay, defective, etc. Then we can enable this one, inventory status. Simply like okay, so we have this advanced inventory management system. If you want to like use the reorder point or demand planning, etc., then enable this one. Landed cost, like cost is involved for this, like such as what happened. You know, like we want to purchase any product from China, right? We are getting the China, but on port some charges applicable, right?
Yeah.
So those could be a landed cost. Those will be on the port, like it will be required. So for that tracking expenses and all, we can have this landed cost, and
Okay.
we'll be linking up accordingly.
Okay.
Then we have a supply allocation, okay, demand planning, distribution network planning. Distribution network planning is, let's say, if location A do not have that quantity, from the location B it could be purchased or could be transferred. Not
Yeah.
purchased, basic transferred.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then we have ATP, available to promise, standard costing, group average costing, manufacturing work in progress, uh, outsourced manufacturing.
Yeah.
So these kind of modules, if you want to use, we can have it.
Okay.
Okay. So all the employee related things will be getting here. Okay, whether that is a part of their expenses.
Okay.
Okay, approval, billing dates, etc. So all those things will be defined over here. This is the place for the employee.
Okay.
Will not be covering much from the employee, just like the expenses reports, etc. Will be doing that. Now in the CRM is again will be like doing some exercises. So customer relationship management, that is okay. So if you want to use in your NetSuite account, okay, you can enable this so that you can have the calendar, contacts, event, tasks, etc.
Okay.
So that if you want to schedule anything, okay, all those things you'll be able to see under activity scheduling. Okay, if you want to do so, just for the tracking purpose, we have all these things here. Then we have Salesforce automation. This Salesforce automation is not Salesforce.com.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is the part of NetSuite
Mm-hmm.
Salesforce automation, where we can have like okay, so we can define a numbers of the things. For example, how we gonna get and track the leads. Okay, then we are going to convert them to a customer using the prospect. Okay, so we also allocate for the budget for those kind of things. Okay, marketing event. So everything we do, that kind of things will be over here. And whenever we get a lead, and lead could be getting to triggered to a particular person, okay, or you can say the sales rep, based on their territory, or you can define a rule of your own. For example, let's say if I'm getting a lead from the Delhi, okay,
Yeah.
so
Mhm.
my representative is in Delhi also, right? So
Okay.
what happened? Let's say if anybody is online,
Mhm.
registered or you're looking for. So what happened once we get the data? So that will get automatically assigned to a representative who's in Delhi,
Okay.
because customer territory like area is also Delhi only. If
Okay.
anyone who is from Bangalore, they get
Mhm.
assigned to Bangalore guy only. Okay, that
Okay.
kind of things, right? It's not like that. It's randomly Delhi persons getting uh, representative from Bangalore,
Okay.
right? So that kind of things we can do. Then we have a customer support and services. Basically, if you want to after the post selling a product,
Mhm.
if you want to provide them the support, okay, then we have to enable this one.
Okay.
Marketing automation is also there. Opportunities if you want lead conversion, means how we can convert the lead to a customer.
Mhm.
So that kind of things. Even if this feature is enabled, then also we can create the customer directly, or if you want, we can create the lead as well.
Okay.
Okay, and the lead could be converted directly to a system or from the online forms as well.
Okay. 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 So lead, I mean, is just a lead from the customer, right? Maybe he is interested in buying something like that.
Yeah. So basically, what happened? Let's say. Uh, so what happened? Let's say a lead could be purchased from any company.
Mhm.
So what is we are seeing as of now? We are saying okay, online most of this uh, social media things. Okay, they
Mhm.
are selling our data.
Okay.
Okay, so they are selling our data, what we are doing, how we are doing, for which product we are interested, and so that kind of things, right? And again, if you see, so what happened here, like we are working in any company, and
Mhm.
what is happening is we are directly getting a call from someone and saying that, hey, hi sir, you are working on so and so company, we have an offer for you. Are you looking for loan? Are you looking for credit card? Something like that, right? We usually get this kind of calls.
Okay.
Okay. So till that time, what happened? They have our data. They have got data from somewhere where this is clearly mentioned, okay, what our name is or the phone number and where we are working, for example, right? So now they have only this much of information, right?
Mhm.
Then what happened? We are as a lead for them.
Mhm.
Leads means we are not customer. We are just our data is there, and they are just thinking, okay, this lead could be converted to a customer. They
Okay.
start following up. Okay, they start following up and following up, saying that, hey sir, like, are you looking for so and so product and all? If you will be interested, you will say yes, I am interested. Call me back after so and so, like sometime.
Okay.
Okay, or they will schedule a meeting and all those kind of things happen. If you say no, then what happened? We have a we can say lead closed, actually
Okay.
unqualified.
Okay.
Okay, but let's say if you have shown some interest and you have said okay, I'm looking for, then lead will be qualified. And
Okay.
maybe if you're negotiating, or if you are asking for your exactly the product you're looking for and everything details you're sharing, that may lead get converted to prospect.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, they will consider you. Okay, so now this was the lead, but now he is showing his interest. He is looking for certain product, and
Okay.
now that there's a probability, right?
Mhm.
Prospect will be there then, that this lead will get converted to a customer.
Okay.
Now, once they have told you and you got the idea, okay, so these are the products and all, and then maybe you will be ready to place an order. So
Okay.
once you place an order, so what happened? A lead which got converted into prospect, and not that prospect will get converted into customer. Once
Okay.
you place an order, you said, okay, I want credit card. Just take my so and so documents. I am ready to.
Okay.
Right. So that time you will become a customer. But this is stage, like, so a company, what they do, they for the reporting, we want to track how many lead we got. So let's say out of 10,000 leads, maybe
Yeah.
we'll be able to convert only 50 into customer,
Okay.
right?
Right.
And so we'll be able to see, okay, so how many leads we got, how many came to prospect and then we lost them, and how many we are able to convert to a customer,
Okay. Okay.
right? So those
Right.
kind of things will be there. So we'll be talking about these things as well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have a team scaling, historical metrics, and email case capturing, automated. So all these things like, okay, so if you want to register in case if I'm not happy with the product, how we
Yeah.
can raise a case and that will get registered automatically. So those kind of things will be taken care over here.
Okay.
Marketing, coming to marketing, like we have online forms, merge email, mail merge, yeah, CRM template category, capture email replies. So all those things are there. So leave it.
Mm-hmm.
CRM part you'll be able to see here only. Analytics we'll be doing. We have a Tableau, we have a KPI scorecard. We'll see how to do that kind of thing.
Okay.
Okay. Now in web presence, this is mostly you'll be getting related to website like to e-commerce. For example, this website, web stores, advanced site customization, multiple websites. So this is all kind of like we do for the suite builder. Okay, advanced web reports, advanced things. But here if you see, so in NetSuite, what happened? We can give access to our customers and vendor as well. Okay, so these are the things we are not going to cover here because this is more relevant to a uh, suite builder. Okay,
So you
there
mean
will be
that is technical?
not technical. Yeah, technical part is there. The thing is like suite builder, suite commerce, not builder, suite commerce. Now in suite commerce, what happened? Like in NetSuite, like as I told you, right? NetSuite have a different platform, CRM, ERP, e-commerce, everything is there, right? So e-commerce, if you talk about in NetSuite itself, you can create your the site, okay, and a customer can log into that site. They can place their order. They can add a product to their cart, okay, and they can make payment from their sites, okay. So all those kinds of things could be done
So okay. So I mean, website will be created from the NetSuite only.
in NetSuite only. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, so we will be covering that or at least overview.
No, actually, that is a totally a different domain.
Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
Because I mean, I have heard. I mean, I have few friends. I mean, who are working in NetSuite. They were also talking about this only. I mean, they are into creating websites and all. So okay.
Yeah, so basically here like street commerce, this is known as street commerce.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so similar to like we have a different sites where we can go, we can add product. So for example, if you talk about the Agio, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we go there, we can see the products. Maybe some ERP applications behind that
Right.
working, right? From there, it is showing all the inventory, all the stocks, and everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So similarly here, like we are using the ERP application with respect to this, we can also enable the e-commerce. We can use it so that
Mm-hmm.
directly no interlinking or integration is required. Directly, if we place the order from here, that will directly impacting to our uh, ERP as well at the same time.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
But
because when the website, all these things come into picture, then we'll have to see the integrations also, right?
yeah, but not because see, this is out of box functionality.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is out of box functionality, so here we don't have to worry about. So, like in NetSuite itself, you'll be getting this suite commerce.
Okay.
But I'll tell you one thing: like NetSuite is known for its ERP, not just for the like CRM and the e-com, like CRM and e-commerce.
Mm-hmm.
So, in the strongest thing in NetSuite is its ERP and the financial.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, but good to have this. So we also have this one. Okay, this is like we have CRM, ERP, and the e-commerce like that.
Okay.
So we'll be covering the CRM some part and ERP completely, and
Mm-hmm.
we'll not be touching this point.
Okay. Okay.
If you want, I can give the overview. I can share the documents as well. You
Yeah.
can go through if you
Yeah,
want.
so because I mean, this looks little interesting. This website and all integrations.
Mhm. Okay, I'll share. Okay, no worries.
Okay.
But there's a like you'll not be getting much requirement for this one.
Oh, okay. Because see, website. I mean, we have seen that for every our customers and all, nobody shares the ERP access directly. They have some websites only from where they place the orders and all.
Right, 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 right. Okay. Then we have a Suite Cloud. Suite Cloud, here like some of the options will be getting. For example, Suite Builder, if you talk about, then here we have the item options, custom record. So if you want to create any field, okay, where we inside that we can have multiple fields. So that is the item option we can create. Custom record means all types of records are there in the system, but still, let's say based on the requirement, we found that okay, a kind of record is not there that we need to create. So we can
Yeah.
create the custom record. Advanced PDF, HTML template, remove personal information, all those kind of things will be able to do that. Client script, like all the scripting, if you want to enable, you can enable from here. Suite script.
Okay.
Workflow, if you want to enable in your system so that you can create the workflow, you have to enable this workflow.
Okay.
Suite GL, you have to enable from here. We have to. Okay, I will enable this one because you want to use. See. See, this is regarding you are enabling this feature, right? And here you can see a line is there, right, for the fee. Okay, if you're using the APIs and all, okay, so that will cause this one. Okay, so similar kind of things you'll be getting and all.
Okay.
Okay, let me check. I'll go through and will enable accordingly because I want to enable and use this feature.
Okay.
So what happened? Simple custom record could be created, and we can have a custom GL lines. In custom GL lines, what happened? Let's say if you want to show any extra GL impact or something you want to divide, right? In that
Right.
case, we'll be able to use this one.
Okay.
Okay, but this is again chargeable. You can like this. Then we have like all these things, custom transactions if you want to create and create bundles with bundler. So if you want to create the bundles and all, so these things we can enable from here. With designing, SAML, single sign-on, all these things. Okay, so yeah, fine. Okay, make sure like you should be aware of what are the features are there in enable feature. Okay, because you'll be getting some questions. I'll be discussing about those questions as well, like what kind of question is being asked in certification. Okay, this is all theoretical. Now going forward, we'll be having a practical things like we have the subsidiary setting manager and rename record transaction auto generated number that will, I'm thinking like we can have by tomorrow. Is it okay?
Yeah. So Shekhar, we'll be covering some integration things also.
Integration, no, we are not covering the integration. Integration
Okay.
means what you're looking for?
I mean,
Aligo, something like that.
how the NetSuite interacts with the other environment while taking
Yeah.
sales orders or anything like that.
No, no. So yeah, so all like we'll be doing in NetSuite in itself, whatever we'll be doing. Okay. And if
Okay.
you talk about the integration, that will mostly you'll be getting for the EDI, let's say for example. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you'll be getting with respect to a technical team only. Okay.
Okay. Okay. That will be in the technical course.
Right. Right.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, okay. But some standard integrations are not there, which I mean, a functional guy also can implement.
Out of box, I can tell you. Out of box functionality that we have, as I told you, right? Credit card, ACH, okay,
Uh-huh.
EFT,
Okay.
okay,
Okay.
those kind of things definitely I'll be telling you.
Okay.
Okay. So where the coding is required, okay, those kind of things.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. So,
Okay, fine. Then I'll stop you today. Okay.
okay,
And
Shekhar, sir,
yeah.
tomorrow what will be starting? I mean, not tomorrow, from Monday.
Hello.
Hello? Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah, I was asking what will be studying on Monday?
We'll be continuing with the this one. This part we have to cover first. Setup part. From the
Setup.
sketch, like auto-generated numbers, rename recorded transactions, all
Okay.
those things, create the location, subsidiary classes, department, everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So once we'll have all these things covered, you can
Mm-hmm.
see references, emails, everything. Okay. So once we cover up this part, then only we'll go to the customization. And once customization done, we'll be going to the safe searches and reporting and analytics. And then we'll be going to the modules. Like we'll
Okay.
start from the inventory management and all.
Okay. Inventory and all. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Inventory, AR, AP, advanced financials, manufacturing, all those things will be there itself.
Okay. And we'll be going through that generating bill of material also, right?
Yeah, yeah, that will be there. That is part of like, yeah, that will be manufacturing only, right?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
our curriculum is like it's designed already. Like okay, the way we flow or like process. So you'll be able to uh, see the things. Okay. For example, if I do the module first and customization later, you'll not be aware of like okay, what exactly need to be done. You'll be getting
Right.
confused. Okay. So
Right.
for that purpose, we have decided proper way so that you can go accordingly. And if you have any question, you can let me know as well. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Fine. Then I'm stopping here. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.